While interacting with leaders from various municipalities in Wakiso district to deliberate on service delivery and accountability of money spent on roads, the Prime Minister Robin Nabanja ordered the Minister of Kampala Hajat Minsa Kabanda, Entebbe RDC and police to accompany Entebbe Municipality Engineer Christine Namfuka to ascertain whether the roads mentioned in her accountability report exist.
Let the Entebbe Municipal Council engineer explain to us where Chitoro Tax Park access road is and the money spent on it. We wrote to the council and requested them to divert the money for Chitoro Tax Park access road to complete Yusufule Road. Let them explain to us where Chintu Road is.
RDC mugende mulambule bino. Katulabo yongecho okulabirako kubanga tosobola kulimba Prime Minister nolimba eggwanga lyonna wakola road maintenance.
Nansana Municipality councillors accused the town clerk Francis Byabagambi and other leaders at the municipality for usurping their powers.
They decide on when meetings should be conducted, yet the law requires us to have a meeting once every 2 months.
So town clerk, from today, tuleke kumala kino kubudde. Ogenda kubeera buli kaseera, buli myezi ebiri nga kansa etuula.
The Prime Minister also ordered Nansana municipality officials to be investigated following concerns raised by councillors over the quality of roads that appear on the accountability report but are not constructed.
I want to direct you to help us monitor Nansana municipality closely, even if it means you monitoring there weekly. Because I can see there, if you see leaders fighting here, then you know there is a problem.
Nabanja told the district leaders that it's their actions that have continued to dent the image of government.
Ate ejemi watwa jemuyitiddemu okubulankanya sente za government. Ne muvumaganya government mwaka ku mwaka.
Aaron Mukama, NTV Weekend Edition.